Alright, the goggles almost made things brighter than they actually were. Alright. Oh. A bunch of snow just came down from that tree. I mean, as you can see, there's nothing, there hasn't been anything around since I was last in here, but it's still kind of ominous. I am starving. My shovel will be my weapon. And then we're gonna I have a couple eggs that I want to hard boil for dinner. I think I want to get those on before I start the fire.
With me, I don't take it's really how it goes. Mouth my words, don't say shit. Shh, shut up, bitch, you ride this. Television smelling it, young fresh, but I'm
I gave my brother my ID. She independent, bet these bitches ain't been really. You nothing but a sidekick. Hard to be the type of love you want from me when I'm running.
Light her up. Alright, now you're supposed to put the eggs in cold water. And what we're gonna do for that is we shut the Jetboil off. It's gonna dump them right here. Now we're just gonna cover them in snow. What the fuck? Well, blizzard, boys. We got the fire raging in there. And the Coke somehow blew up. Ugh. Snow, I guess. This is the side you come in on, so you stack the wood on this side. It is time to get warm next to the fire and cook some ramen. Gonna make some tea. I'm kind of drying my pants out. They got kind of real damp earlier. Got plenty of wood for a couple hours. A couple things of ramen, spice, some honey. think we should have brought a little bit more water, and we also should have conserved water a little better. The noodles themselves are definitely just ready to be served. Hey, these came out pretty good. That's good. Eat. There's some sticks on the fire. Bon appetit. It's pie time. Next up, pie and eggnog. This was completely drained out in my bag, but still sealed. Just a little bit left. Fire's burnt down. Time to head.